In this video, we'll be replacing the mass airflow sensor on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be located on your air filter intake tube. It's going to be the same process for the first generation from 2007 to 2015. So now we can find our mass airflow sensor in the engine bay in the intake tube just after our air filter housing. It's going to be held in by two T20 Torx screws. So we'll go ahead and remove those now. And now you still have this plugged in, and your electrical harness is running down attached to your air filter box. So what we're going to do is slowly pull out our mass airflow, flip it over, and then we can see our electrical connection here, or our plug. The plug has a red security lock on it, so we're going to use a small pick tool. We're going to push back our security lock, and then we can remove our plug by pushing down on this tab and pulling the plug out. Now we can take our new mass airflow sensor. We're going to slide it right into the intake tube. We're going to seat that in there nicely, and we're going to start one of two of our screws. And we can start our second. I'm going to start these by hand. And we can go ahead and tighten these down. Now, just as a reminder, we are threading into plastic, so there's no need to over torque these, or you will split the plastic. So what we're going to do is get one of them snugged up, and we'll move up top just to try and bring it in flat. We'll get this one tightened down, move back. Okay. Now we're going to move on to plugging in our electrical connection. You have your security tab on the bottom. So what we're going to do is plug in our connection until we hear a click, and then press in our security or lock tab on the bottom. Give it a gentle pull back, make sure we're in, and that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.